Looking to upgrade your kitchen? Here are the 7 most premium tech gadgets on Amazon right now. Trust me, your countertop will thank you. Alright, let's jump right in. Number 7. The MEATER Pro Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer, about $130. Ever ruined a steak or roasted chicken by guessing the temperature? MEATER Pro tracks both the internal and ambient temps right from your phone. No more hovering over the grill, just set it, monitor it, and cook like a pro every single time. Next up, number 6. The EMBER Temperature Control Smart Mug, priced around $118. If you're tired of your coffee going cold mid-email, this mug literally keeps your drink at the exact temperature you want. Set it up through the EMBER app, and every sip is as hot or as mild as you like. Game changer for work-from-home days. Number 5. VITAMIX Ascent X2 Blender. This pro-grade blender is a beast, handling smoothies, soups, nut butters, and even frozen desserts. The controls are slick, the results are crazy smooth, and cleanup is surprisingly easy. If you want power and precision, this is the blender to beat. Coming in at number 4, the BREVILLE Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Why clutter your kitchen with an oven, air fryer, and toaster when BREVILLE gives you all 3 plus roasting, baking, and dehydrating in one? It's perfect for crispy fries, golden chicken wings, and even slow-cooked roasts, all in a sleek countertop package. Number 3. BRUVI Single-Serve Coffee System, around $348. Yeah, it's a splurge, but this touchscreen brewer does coffee, espresso, and tea with legit barista-level quality. Super intuitive, tons of drink options, and the pods are eco-friendly. Very 2025. Number 2. The PSIIDAN Cold Press Juicer, about $100. If you're into fresh juice, this compact cold press extracts more nutrients and flavor with less heat and oxidation. That means brighter, healthier juice every single morning. And finally, the number 1 spot KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. This icon is legendary for a reason, mixing dough, whipping cream, churning batter, you name it. Built to last, comes in colors to match any vibe, and trust me, it'll make baking way more fun. So there you have it, my top 7 kitchen tech picks for 2025. From smart thermometers to next-level blenders, these gadgets totally redefine what your kitchen can do. Which one's on your wish list? Check the description for links to everything I mentioned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon top picks. See you in the next one.